Welcome back to my channel, friends. This is my first ever vlog and I think you guys have already guessed this before. If your guess is Ather 450X, then you are right. Now I am at Indiranagar 100 feet ring road in Bangalore at Ather Energy Space Experience Center. The vehicle is available in 3 different colors and 1 special color. The first color is mint green. The second color, which is the special color, the Series 1, is available for customers only who have pre-ordered this vehicle before the month of January 2020, that is before the launch of Ather 450X, and it is not available for any other customers who have ordered it later. The third color is the space grey color, which I have ordered and which I have bought. I like this color a lot, and the fourth color is white. This showroom is very elegant, aesthetic and technologically beautiful. It is powered by lithium-ion battery pack. It gives a range of around 116 km to 85 km in one full charge. It can accelerate up to 45 km per hour in just under 3.3 seconds. What you are seeing now is the aluminium frame inside the vehicle. The usage of aluminium frame and fiber plastic makes the vehicle lightweight. The weight of this scooter is 108 kgs. As I said before, this is a smart scooter and it is loaded with a bunch of technological features inside the vehicle, like connected mobile app, 7-inch touchscreen dashboard, over-the-air software updates, Android open source operating system, 4G, Bluetooth, Snapdragon SIM, navigations, Alexa, music and call, license, documents, find my scooter, location detection, theft control, etc. Ather 450X is having the largest boot space, that is dicky, with a 22 liters of maximum boot space. You can store all your daily things and necessary documents inside it comfortably. You can charge 2 of your mobile phones at a time inside it. This is the charging station which I will get along with my Ather 450X. In 3 hours it will charge up to 80% and in 5 hours it will charge completely. You have to just remove it and fix it like this into the Ather 450X. And it gets locked and no one can steal it until you open the key. The much more awaited part of this video is here, Lamborghini and Ather 450X. I know you guys are waiting for this clip from a long time. The company did not allow me to take a video of myself in front of it, or else I was definitely taking. Sorry guys, I could not show you myself in front of it. The aerodynamics design and the look of Ather 450X is similar to that of a Lamborghini. There is also reverse mode in this vehicle. You can see this now. Yes, it's turned on. This is the nighttime view of the Ather 450X. It is as beautiful as that of morning. It gets eye-catching attention from public and people when it goes around and in front of them. The headlights and backlights are very beautiful. The tail light is in the shape of A. A means Ather. I can even control the brightness with just my gesticulation. Now I am going to decrease the vehicle. See, the brightness is going to decrease. As I increase, it's going to increase. As I decrease, it's going to decrease. Let's see this. Stop speed. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
This Ather 450X is 1,65,000 after delivery, RTO and registration charges. You can compare this vehicle for any of the petrol scooters like Jupiter, Activa, 6G, Axis 125 or Yamaha Casino. All the vehicles today in the market are 1 lakh rupees to 1,25,000.
Let's see this in detail. Ather 450X cost 1,65,000 rupees on road, including tax, RTO and insurance. Other petrol scooters of 125cc costs rupees 1 lakh. Let us take the average cost for both the scooters. Petrol bill for petrol scooters is rupees 1000 per month, 12,000 per year and 36,000 for 3 years. Electricity bill for electric scooters is rupees 200 per month, 2,400 per year and 7,200 for 3 years. And let us add maintenance charges for both the scooters as rupees 5,000. The total is like this: 1,41,000 minus 30,000. Why minus 30,000? We are going to sell the scooters after 3 years. The total cost for maintenance of a petrol scooter for about 3 years is rupees 1,11,000. But in the case of Ather, we are going to subtract rupees 36,000. Why? Because we are saving the amount of cost spent on petrol. The total cost is 1,34,000. The company Ather Energy has given an agreement, a buyback agreement for all its Ather 450X users that after 3 years of usage, the people can sell the scooter to the company itself. The company is going to give rupees 80,000 to 85,000 depending upon the condition of the scooter. So guys, you can conclude that the total cost of Ather 450X is rupees 54,000. The total cost difference between the petrol and Ather is 46 plus 11,000, that equals to 57,000. So guys, you are intelligent, I know you can decide what to buy. So guys, you know that day by day air pollution is being increased and trees are being cut. It's our sole responsibility to do a small squirrel service to our environment. Go green, go electric. It took a lot of hard work and editing for us to make this video. So please give a contribution by like, sharing and subscribing. Sharing will reach this video to more people and we can soon make our India free from pollution. Thank you.